Jarra quante preso su you can't see me when you get round. We got to do
Okay, hordoftoota saayinsii education and anyone baga gara chalaanii keenya nagaan dhuftan isin jecha. Maqaan kiyya Firoomsaa Abdii jedhama. Har'a immoo barataa tokko kutaa 10 irraa gaaffii tokko na gaafate anis san gaafadhee dhiyaadhe. Innis waa'ee normality ti. Let us start from the normality. What is normality? Normality jechuun maali? Irraa kan jirru irraa kaanu. It is the number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution and it is donated by the capital N. Unit of the normality is equivalent over liter. What is the formula of the normality? Normality is equals to number of equivalent of solute per volume in what? In liter. This is the formula of the normality. Number of the equivalent of solute is equals to number of equivalent of solute is equals to what? Mass of solute over equivalent mass of the solute. Kanaafuu formula kana maal goone normality is equals to bakka sila number of equivalent of solute eenyuun jiru qixeen kanaaf jiru qixeen mass over equivalent mass over equivalent mass times what? Volume. Equivalent mass times volume. Ammallee equivalent mass is equals to molar mass over Z. As is okay. Kana fuune bakka maalii galchina? Bakka equivalent mass itti galchinu. Mass over equivalent mass is equals to molar mass is capital M. Capital M over what? Z times volume. This one Z is for acid, number of hydrogen ions released by one formula unit of the acids. For the base, Z is number of the hydroxide ions. Yeah, this one. Number of hydroxide ions released by the given base. For the salt, Z for the salt is equivalent to what? Total positive valence. Total positive valence. Z for the salt. At this point, Z is multiplied with what? Mass. Normality is equals to mass, this one. Z is multiplied with this one. Mass times Z over molar mass times what? Times V. Then mass over molar mass is equals to what? Number of the moles is equals to number of the moles. We can replace N instead of this one. Is equals to N Z over what? NZ over volume. At this point, any number of the moles over volume is equals to molarity. So normality is equals to molarity times Z. This is the relation between the molarity and the normality. Kana beini booda asitti formula kunis maali? Mass times Z times molar mass times volume is equals to what? With normality wajjin wal qixa. Kana booda gara example gaafii yookaan mucaan na gaafatetti haa dhufnu. Inni maali? Akkana jedha. Calculate the normality and the molarity of the solution that contains 16.2 gram of the salt, kana iron sulfate, molar mass is equals to 400 gram per mole in what? 200 milliliter. Gaafiin kana asirraa givinii ni qabna. Giviniin keenya m is equals to given. M is equals to 16.2 gram. Molar mass means M. Molar mass is equals to 400 gram per mole. Liter or the volume is equals to what? Volume is equals to this must be converted into the liters because it must be converted into the liters. Liter is what? Units of molarity is equals to 0.2 liter. And also we have Z. Z is positive what? Valence. Positive valence. As this time bakka kanatti ironiin lama kan ironiin tokko meeqa? 3. Positive maaliin? Positive valencein ironiidha 3. Kan ironii lama meeqa? 6 ta'a. Z is equals to 6. Then we have formula akkare fulaletti formula nuti qabnu normality is equals to what? Mass times Z over molarity times what? Volume. The normality is equals to 16.2 grams per mole times Z is 6. 6 what? Equivalent. 6 equivalent per mole. Equivalent per mole over what? Molar mass is equals to 400 gram per mole times what? Times what? Times volume. Volume is equals to 0.2 liter. Then normality is equals to this gram is cancelled by this gram. Mole is what? Cancelled by moles. Is this one. N is equals to normality is equals to 16.2 times 6 over what? Over 4 times this one is equals to 18. 18 liters. Liters. This mole is cancelled by the moles. What? Equivalent per what? Liter. This is the unit of the what? Normality. Then normality is equals to what? 1.215. Normality is equals to normal is equals to N or equivalent over liters. This is our end result. Gaafiin kee kana fakkaata. Subscribe godhuudhaan, share godhuudhaan shariikan keessan biraan gahu hin dagatinaa jennaa. Goodbye for now.